Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your regular lights, halogen ones, to an LED kit, and which LED kit I suggest for this Nissan Rogue. I believe this one's like a 2018 or 2019. You can see the big difference right there in color. The other one looks way nicer. It matches that LED strip versus that ugly yellowish color. This vehicle is actually very, very easy to do. So on the driver's side, all you do is you put your hand in here, twist counterclockwise to take out the bulb. Let me go ahead and shut off the car real quick and I'll explain it to you. Alright guys, so I already put the LED kit on this side, but basically you have this bulb in that socket. You have a little tab right here that you got to push your finger down or push it upward on, and then unplug it. After you unplug it, you twist this bulb counterclockwise, pull it out. You put the new LED kit in, twist it to lock it in place. When you plug in the LED kit into the stock harness, if it doesn't turn on one way, you're just going to flip the connection. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about on that too. So basically you see how this little plug, I'm pushing upward on the top and then I unplug it. Some of them the clip is easy, like you push towards the bottom and then it will make the top part tilt up. On this one it was easier to tilt from the top. Twisted it counterclockwise, you can hear it unlock, take the bulb out. When you put the new LED kit in, pay attention to this piece. You have one bigger tab, two smaller ones. The bigger tab goes face towards the top. So when you put the LED in there, face it towards the top, slant it till you feel the socket go in like that. Then you twist it clockwise to lock it in place. When you plug this stock harness to the LED kit, if you plug it in basically this way and it doesn't turn on, unplug it, flip this clip around, basically 180 degrees, so the power and ground are reversed. And then plug it in that way for the LED kit, not for the regular halogen bulbs. But that's what you do. Like if you plug everything in and it doesn't turn on, you just don't worry. It's not that the bulb doesn't work. All you do is take that connection and you flip it around. Alright, so when I'm talking about the clip, it's this one. When you plug this in this way, if it doesn't turn on this way, unplug it, flip it around. On this side it was easier. On this side it was easier to plug it in first, and then I'm going to put this bulb in place. And push it in and twist it clockwise. After that, your install is complete. Just check everything before you close the hood. Make sure both sides turn on, that you don't got to flip the connection. This is a 2019 Nissan Rogue. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. I'll put the link for the items that I used below. We also have some LED kits that are a little bit brighter with a 2-year warranty instead of a 1-year warranty that are $80 to $90 a pair. These are $60 a pair with free shipping.